All right, so this is it. This is our brand new 2-post lift. This is a 9,000 pound lift. It's obviously an open top lift. We had to do that because of the restrictions on the ceiling. This lift is made by the Lift Superstore. They have locations all over the country, and if you're local to them, they actually will deliver and install it for a small charge. It's actually pretty reasonable compared to other lift companies I looked into. Now, all the steel structure, the verticals and the arms are made in China, just like most lifts out there. But the cool thing about this is actually the motor and the hydraulics are all made in the USA, so that just gives me a little bit better peace of mind. Now, this is a symmetrical lift, so the posts are actually symmetrical to each other, but it has asymmetrical arms. That means one arm in the front is shorter than one arm in the back. So this allows me to offset the car, and about 30% of the weight goes on the front and 70% goes on the back. So by doing this, you can offset the car, open the door a little bit wider, and it gives you a little bit more access into the car. All right, that's about it for the lift. So let's go pull the E30 on and see how it works. All right, so that's it. The car is up on the lift. Really easy to use, really smooth. And if anyone is wondering, I did take a measurement with the car all the way up at the top. I do have about 5.5 feet, maybe a little bit more, a couple inches more of clearance to walk around and do any work. So I'm excited to have a lift again, start some new projects, and I hope you guys follow along. So thanks for watching.